What if your car suddenly runs out of power in the middle of traffic? That fear is called range anxiety, and that is one of the reasons why Filipinos hesitate to switch to electric vehicle. But here is the truth. Most driver may never experience it. So is range anxiety real or just a myth? In this video, we're breaking down the real truth about EV range anxiety in the Philippines. You will learn how far EVs can actually go, why most drivers don't run out of battery, and whether EVs are practical for Philippine roads today. And the answer might completely change how you see electric cars. Range anxiety is simple. It's the fear that your electric car will run out of battery before you reach your destination. Most modern electric vehicles today can travel from 300 to 500 kilometers on a full charge. Be honest, would you feel comfortable driving an EV today in the Philippines? Comment below. Now, compare that with the average Filipino driver. Most daily trips are only 30 to 50 kilometers. That means an electric vehicle can last several days without charging. So why are people still worried? The real issue is not range, it's a charging habits. Gasoline cars are used to drive empty refill. But EVs work differently. You charge them like your smartphone. At home, at work, whenever it's convenient. And once you shift your mindset, range anxiety almost disappears. What's your biggest concern about electric vehicles? Range, charging, or cost? Comment below. Let's take a real Philippine scenario. For instance, you drive from Quezon City to Tagaytay. That's around 60 to 70 kilometers one way. Even a basic electric vehicle with 300-kilometer range can handle the trip easily with plenty of battery left. And now, charging stations are expanding across Metro Manila, major highways, malls, and commercial centers. So long trips are becoming more possible every year. So here is the truth. Range anxiety is not really about the car. It's about changing habits. Modern electric vehicles already have enough range for most daily driving. And as charging infrastructure improves in the Philippines, that fear will continue to disappear. In fact, for many EV owners today, range anxiety turns into something else: charging confidence. Range anxiety used to be a real problem, but today it's becoming a myth because EV technology is improving. Charging stations are expanding, drivers are adapting. If you want to understand how electric vehicles actually work, watch the next video. It may change everything you think about electric vehicles. Thank you for watching.